PolarPro have become synonymous with quality and performance in the lens filter market. They have a large range of premium filters across all DJI and GoPro products, including drones such as the Mavic, Spark, Phantom 4 and Inspire series. Enhancing your video with these filters to reach cinema-level visuals will put you right at the top of your game. Now, it's time to find the right one for you. For those who are new to filters, here's how they work. An ND or neutral density filter refers to a filter that modifies or reduces light wavelengths. The number following ND represents a reduction in shutter speed, which controls the amount of light that enters into the sensor. As the amount of light in the shot increases, pilots should select a higher density filter accordingly. Depending on the time of day, weather conditions, and the presence of glare, PolarPro have designed filters for every possible scenario.
As a professional drone photographer, image and video quality is of utmost importance. In the field, I need to ensure that my shutter speed is twice my frame rate, and this will translate into perfectly smooth and glare-free footage.
For more information on our range of PolarPro filters, give one of our team members a call.
Or visit our website at www.spheredrones.com.au.